Hello everyone, welcome to Saucer's classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question for you, a question pertaining to number system and basically the concepts of unit digit of LCM. Okay, so this is a very interesting kind of a question. So it involves a lot of concepts pertaining to even and odd, cyclicity, LCM, HCF and product of numbers as well. So this is a very interesting question that we'll be discussing. This is one of the more difficult kind of questions pertaining to number system. So sometimes this sort of questions are usually asked in the examinations as well. Okay, be it your GRE or GMAT, you see this sort of questions. Maybe as far as this difficulty level is this difficulty level is concerned, are asked quite often. Now, we'll take a look into that and we'll try and solve the same as well. Having said that, let's just focus on the question and try to solve the same. Find the unit digit of LCM of 7 to the power 501 minus 1 and 17 to the power 501 minus 1 and 17 to the power 501 plus 1. Okay, so we have two numbers, say 17 to the power 501 minus 1 and 17 to the power 501 plus 1. Okay, now try and understand something. Okay, let's try and understand the cyclicity of 7 because we are concerned with unit digits, so we'll only focus on the last number. So 7, see 7 1 ja 7. Okay, 7 square is 49, so unit digit 9. 7 cube, okay, now that's 3, we have 343 3. 7 to the power 4 is 1. Okay, because 3 7 are 21 and 1 1. Now this I can generalize this as 7 4k plus 1. So unit digit 7 to the power 4k plus 1, unit digit will be 7. 7 to the power 4k plus 2, because 9 is 4k plus 2. Sorry, 9, sorry, 2 can be written as 4k plus 2 because 0 plus 2. Okay, 7 to the power 3 can be written as 4k plus 3. Okay, its unit digit will be 3, and 7 to the power 4 can be written as 7 to the power 4k. Okay, so this is the cyclicity of 7, basically 4 cycles, and it goes with 4 7 to the power 4k plus 1 being 7, 4k plus 2 being 9, 4k plus 3 being 3, and 4k being 1. Now 501, 7 to the power 501, this 17 to the power 501, its unit digit, if I focus 7, 501 can be written as 501, if I divide by 4, then I can write this as 448 divided 21. So this can be written as 4k plus 1 minus 1 I can write, and similarly this also I can write 7 to the power 4k plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so this will end with 4k plus 1 ends with 7 minus 1. Okay, last digit, these are the last digit. Okay, and this will be 7 plus 1. Okay, last digit. So this will be an even number with unit digit being 6. This will also be an even number with unit digit being 8. Okay, that is, these are consecutive even numbers. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to you, how we arrived at this conclusion, and everything is clear to you. We simply use the cyclicity rule. Now let me give you an example. Say I take an example of 6 and 8. Okay, so 6 can be written as 3 into 2, 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Their HCF will be the common part, that is 2. Okay, let me take another number, say 102 and 104. Okay, 51 into 2, 52 into 2, again HCF 2. So therefore HCF of any two consecutive even number is always 2. So in this regards, HCF of this two number will, these are consecutive even numbers, so their HCF will again be 2. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to you as well. So any consecutive even number you can take an example for that matter as well. Their HCF will always be 2. Now let us focus on the question. Now we know LCM into HCF can be written as product of two numbers. Okay, so we know HCF is 2 and I am denoting LCM. Okay, can be written as 17501 minus 1, 17501 plus 1. Okay, now notice this form. This is a to the power n minus 1 to the power n and a to the power n plus 1 to the power n. Okay, b to the power n. Okay, so this is this one is nothing but this thing can simply be written as 17 a plus b a minus b form. So this I can simply write 2 into 501 minus 1, okay, minus 1 square. Okay, so this I can write LCM equal to 171002 minus 1. Okay, now if I am to find the unit digit, again I am considered with only 7. Oh, okay, let me just write this. LCM can be written as 71002 minus 1 by 2. Now all I am concerned with is the unit digit, right? So again 7 to the power 1002. So 1002 I can write as 7 to the power, this I can write, we know 1000 is divisible by 4, so plus 2, so 4k plus 2 minus 1 by 2. So this one's unit digit 4k plus 2, you can see it's 9. So 9 minus 1 by 2 or 8 by 2 and our answer will be 4. So the unit digit of the LCM will be nothing but 4, which will be our answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear. It's a very interesting question, a lot of concepts, so many concepts to keep in mind in this regards. Here we have talked about cyclicity of 7. Here we talked about the unit digit. Here basically HCF's concept, this one, and this entire thing HCF of even consecutive numbers. And this is the general formula. So a lot of concepts to keep in mind and subsequently solve this thing. I hope this thing is clear to you. In case you have any doubt, just go through the entire video, try and solve this question on your own with the video as a reference, and try to follow the process and the order which I've gone through this question. So that should give you a clear insights on the approach involved as well. Okay, so I hope this thing will be clear to you in this regards as well. Now, if you're looking for detailed solution of the entire paper pertaining to all the 3 sections, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all the supports. Okay. Having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So, having said that, I'd like to sign out. So, thank you so much.